Class 12 Physics, Chapter 3, Current Electricity. You have read Ohm's law. Ohm's law is a relation between V and I. V is directly proportional to I. You have read. Now you will, and also drift velocity you have read. Then now this you can see derivation of Ohm's law from first principle. First principle you can derive Ohm's law. Okay, Ohm's law means V is directly proportional to I. This is Ohm's law. So this you will derive. So see the drift velocity. This expression you have read for drift velocity. Drift velocity Vd. Drift velocity is the average velocity of electrons traveling through the conductor in opposite direction of electric field. So this drift velocity is equal to E, charge on electron, E electric field, and tau relaxation time, average time between two successive collisions are divided by mass of electron. So you have read E is equal to V by L. V the potential difference, L distance. So in place of E we can put this value. So E, and in place of E, V by L m tau. Now you have read equation for current. I is equal to N, and this is number of electrons per unit volume of the conductor. E charge on electron, A area of cross section of the conductor, drift velocity. In place of Vd we can put this value. So N E A Vd, in place of Vd E V tau by ml. So now you can simplify this. N E into E square A tau by ml or V. From here you can write down V by L, V by I. V by I is equal to ml. V by I is equal to ml by N E square A tau. So this is your resistance of a conductor, and you have read Ohm's law. V by I is equal to constant. This constant is known as resistance of a conductor. Constant why? M this is the mass of electron, L this length of the conductor, N number of electrons per unit volume, E charge on electron, area of cross section for particular conductor, and tau relaxation time. So these RHS you are seeing, this RHS is constant. This constant is known as, it can be denoted by R, and this is resistance of a conductor. So this is constant, so V is directly proportional to I, and which is Ohm's law. This we have to derive Ohm's law from first principle. Now electrical resistance, or this R you will define. R we are getting from Ohm's law. Ohm's law you have read, at constant temperature V is directly proportional to I. Potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. अब इस प्रोपोर्शनल को हटाने के बाद क्या करते हैं, एक R देते हैं, R लिखते हैं. R क्या हो गया, कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी. दिस कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी इज नोन एज रेसिस्टेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर. सो R इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, V by I. R is equal to V by I. So mathematically with the help of this formula you can define R. कैसे define करोगे? Resistance of a conductor may be defined as the ratio of potential difference across the conductor to across the ends of the conductor to the current flowing through it. या इस तरह define कर सकते हो. It is defined as the potential difference across the ends of a conductor to the electric current flowing through it. इस तरह से इस फॉर्मूला के साथ डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. और रेसिस्टेंस का यूनिट जो है, इलेक्ट्रिकल रेसिस्टेंस का यूनिट क्या है, ओम है. तो ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ रेसिस्टेंस इज ओम. ओम को इस तरह से लिखते हैं, ग्रीक लेटर है. अब हाउ यू डिफाइन 1 ओम रेसिस्टेंस? आर इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, वी बाय आई. हाउ विल यू डिफाइन 1 ओम रेसिस्टेंस? आर इज इक्वल टू वी बाय आई. आर का यूनिट क्या हो गया, 1 ओम इज इक्वल टू वी का वोल्ट, 1 वोल्ट, करंट 1 एम्पियर. The resistance of a conductor, definition of 1 ohm resistance. Resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm if current of 1 ampere flows through it when potential difference of 1 volt is applied across it. अब cause of resistance of a conductor, अब रेसिस्टेंस का रीजन क्या, कारण क्या है, क्यों रेसिस्टेंस, रेसिस्टेंस क्या है ये तो पढ़ा मैथमेटिकली, R इज इक्वल टू V बाय I, रेशियो ऑफ V टू I. What is the reason, what is the science, how resistance is produced in a conductor. जब करंट फ्लो होता है तो करंट फ्लो होता है तो this conductor will oppose the flow of charge, flow of electrons through it. क्यों, what is the reason, ये तो प्लास्टिक है, सपोज करो ये कंडक्टर है, this conductor is made up of molecules, particles. जब जब इलेक्ट्रॉन रन करेगा इन थ्रू द कंडक्टर, तो then electron will collide with the particles of the conductor, with the ions of the conductor. जब collision, जब पास करेगा, जब फ्लो करेगा, मूव करेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो then electron will collide with the ions of the conductor and molecules, particles of the conductor. इस collision में क्या होता है, फ्रिक्शन होता है, ठीक है. तो ड्यूरिंग collision then this there will be opposition, collision में क्या होगा, हीट भी प्रोड्यूस होगा और there will be opposition. Then when electron runs through the conductor, the electron will collide with the ions, with the molecules or particles of the conductor. Then this collision, this opposition, this opposes the flow of electrons, flow of current, flow of charges through the conductor. This opposition is known as a resistance of a conductor. In this way you will study whatever you have studied, derivation of Ohm's law from first principle, and also resistance, you have read definition of resistance और unit पढ़ा, SI unit of resistance is ohm. ये three things basically you have read. Thank you for watching.